jingle bells are on the way. So today let's learn how to write Merry Christmas with the background of Christmas tree in brush pen calligraphy. So here today we are starting with the brush pens, and with the help of these we will write nicely and will create a background. See, these are our 26 brush pens. First we will mark the line. And here we are drawing the Christmas tree. We will decorate it afterwards. First let it get little dry. Now here we are using the red color brush pen.